Hurricane season in Clearwater brings strong winds, heavy rain, and the constant threat of property damage. If your home is not adequately protected, these extreme weather conditions can cause broken windows, water intrusion, and significant structural damage. One of the best ways to safeguard your home is by investing in Impact Windows. Designed to withstand hurricane-force winds and flying debris, impact-resistant windows provide superior protection and peace of mind. Here's how they can keep your home safe during Florida's hurricane season. Withstand extreme winds and flying debris. During a hurricane, high-speed winds can send debris flying at dangerous speeds. Standard windows are vulnerable to shattering, allowing wind and rain to enter your home. Impact windows are engineered to resist breakage, featuring laminated glass with a strong interlayer that holds broken pieces in place, preventing dangerous shards from scattering. Multiple layers of reinforced glass, making them significantly stronger than traditional windows. Heavy-duty frames made from vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass, which resist warping and impact damage. By installing impact-resistant windows, you eliminate one of the biggest vulnerabilities in your home during a hurricane. Prevent interior water damage and structural failure. When a window shatters during a hurricane, it creates an opening that allows wind and rain to rush into your home. This can lead to severe water damage, causing mold growth and expensive repairs. Sudden pressure changes, which can weaken walls and even cause roof failure. Damage to furniture, flooring, and valuables, leading to costly replacements. Impact windows create a tight seal, keeping wind, rain, and debris outside where they belong, reducing the risk of interior damage. No need for storm shutters or plywood. Traditionally, homeowners have relied on storm shutters or plywood to protect windows during hurricanes. While effective, these methods have significant drawbacks. Shutters require installation before every storm, adding stress and labor. Plywood is bulky, unattractive, and may not withstand strong winds. Both methods block natural light, leaving your home dark and uninviting. Impact windows provide constant protection, meaning you won't have to scramble to install temporary coverings before a storm. They allow natural light in while keeping your home secure year-round. Enhance energy efficiency and lower utility bills. Beyond hurricane protection, impact windows improve your home's energy efficiency. Features like low-E coatings, insulated glass, and weathertight seals help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and reducing air conditioning costs. Block harmful UV rays, preventing furniture and flooring from fading. Lower overall energy bills, making them a smart long-term investment. Clearwater homeowners can enjoy year-round comfort and energy savings with impact windows. Improve home security against intruders. Impact windows are not just for hurricane protection, they also enhance home security. Because they are designed to withstand strong impacts, they are difficult to break, deterring burglars and intruders. Equipped with secure locking mechanisms, adding an extra layer of safety. Made from reinforced materials, making forced entry nearly impossible. By installing impact windows, you're protecting your home not only from storms but also from potential break-ins. Increase home value and insurance savings. investing in hurricane-resistant windows can boost your home's resale value and reduce insurance costs. Benefits include higher property value, making your home more attractive to buyers. Potential insurance discounts, as many providers lower premiums for hurricane-proof homes. Long-term cost savings, reducing the need for expensive storm protection systems. Many insurance companies recognize Impact Windows as a storm-proofing upgrade, offering premium discounts for added protection. Long-lasting and low maintenance. Unlike traditional windows that may require frequent repairs or replacements, Impact Windows are built for long-term durability. They resist corrosion, warping, and fading, even in Clearwater's humid climate. Require minimal maintenance, with strong seals that prevent leaks and deterioration. Come with extended warranties, ensuring a solid return on investment. Once installed, Impact Windows provide years of worry-free hurricane protection. Final thoughts. A smart investment for Clearwater homeowners. If you live in Clearwater, hurricane season is a reality you must prepare for. Impact Windows provide year-round protection, keeping your home safe from storms, intruders, and energy inefficiency. They are a one-time investment that delivers long-term security, cost savings, and peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your home with impact-resistant windows? Contact a trusted window installation expert in Clearwater to explore your options and ensure your home is protected before the next storm season hits.